Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal raisin cookies at home, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cream butter and sugars until light, then add eggs and vanilla and mix thoroughly. Stir in dry ingredients and fold in raisins and oats until just combined. Scoop dough into even portions and bake until edges are golden and centers set, then cool on a rack before serving. Gather your ingredients so the process flows smoothly and you avoid interruptions. Measure oats, flour, sugars, baking soda, and salt into separate bowls. Soften 1 stick of butter and have 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla ready. Pre-measuring prevents overmixing and keeps cookies tender. When everything is organized, mixing becomes faster and more enjoyable, helping you focus on texture and taste rather than hunting for missing items. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while enjoying fresh cookies, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes recipes portable and screens easy on the eyes. It fits beside your mixing bowl and keeps your hands free for stirring. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Small techniques change the outcome dramatically, so treat each step with care and patience. Creaming incorporates air for lighter cookies, while gentle folding keeps them tender. Chilling the dough firms fats and concentrates flavors, giving better shape and chew. Use a medium cookie scoop for uniform sizes and watch closely during the final minutes of baking to avoid overbrowning. Let cookies rest on the sheet briefly before transferring to a rack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.